I think these guys are all level 10 except for Leyland. See if I can get an extra trap here, that'd be pretty cool. I haven't opened a door yet, so this should be fine. Usually they can rush after I got rush up, after I get my second trap down. But yeah, it looks like they're not gonna make it. Okay, they got one door open. Yeah, they'd be coming up right now typically. Oh. Come here, Leyland. They're gonna start coming up now. Trying to be sneaky. Be sneaky and go in there, bro. Nice. Right in the crotch. 4. That Julie has 700 points. We don't have exterior alarms? Hello. They see me rolling, they hate it. Jump out the side window? What the heck? Julie's on the front left door. Julie's still over here in the front living room, like left door. Oh, she got past me. Dude, what? How did I miss all 3 times? Like what? He doesn't have a trap back here? Wow. You don't have a trap on the back stairs? No. Yeah, threw my trap. This Julia's a gamer, bro. What a little gamer, bro. What a little gamer, bro. What a little gamer. He is in the side garden. He's in the side garden by the crack. This little space over here. He's like right out here. Hello. How did he hit you? What the hell is this janky ass character, bro? Yeah. GG. This cook. Where to put Nancy traps at? Maybe over here.
I've seen people either just fully trap middle shed or they'll like do bathroom gap.
Yeah, I'm doing bathroom gap and probably that little shed, right? Oh, I got
I
an
don't
extra
play
trap.
Nancy, man. It's like one of the one characters I never touch.
Yeah, I mean, she's not good.
She's good on one map and it's not even her own map, man.
Right. Oh, I got 2 extra traps. Let's go. I got lucky.
I do got blood bombs, but I don't have like a blood build. Oh, Connie's sneaking up the house because I see her butt, dude. Yeah, W snitch.
W snitch. Oh, nice, nice.
Look, White's here too. What the hell? Oh my god, my stamina. Oh god.
Oh, I hit him.
Doesn't matter. That's a W for the clutch.
Oh.
Come
Oh,
on.
nice, dude.
But you should try big swings on him. It's actually so good.
Big swings on, Bones?
Bones.
Big swings?
It's really weird. It's only works on him. It doesn't take more stamina to swing with big swings on him.
Really?
Yeah, when he came out, his endurance and savagery was bugged. Like you couldn't increase it. But like you could have put points into it, but it wouldn't do anything.
Virginia's on the shed exterior. She's running. She's running to ladder exit in the middle. Yeah, she's going through these bushes over here. Oh, she blinded me.
Please gap in here. Oh yeah. She blinded me too. Lost.
Oh, the
Oh,
Julie
she
went.
run in the back of the house.
The Julie went through my trap.
Bomb missed, but that's fine. It's blood.
She's coming out the front. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is too easy. Now she has no more blinding for the Johnny. Get wrecked. Yeah, blind the Nancy and the Bones, but not the Johnny. Nice.
I mean, I hit her twice when she can play gap, or I'd be scared too. Let's put a bomb. Oh, she's 1,000. Jesus, what is she doing, bro?
She
Oh,
is.
she's
Oh, she's battery. She's almost there. She's in the shed at battery.
Battery is on.
Yeah, yeah. I think she had just got the gate open.
She does not get this. Battery's on and the gate's still locked. I she weld. I'll put a bomb in this crate so she runs by, it'll blow up.
Nice. That's smart. So basically what the strat is here now is basically we just wait for her to we just wait for her to get more points to see where she's going, and then I'll use my ultimate, or I can just, well, probably just use my ultimate right now too, but
That doesn't make no damn sense. Damn, Bones is just yapping.
she is crouch walking by the fuse exit, but she's on the other side of the barrier.
Alright. Get good ass family focus. I love this family focus perk so much.
Oh, the third one? What does it even do? I don't even really get it.
It makes your family focus like last longer, and it comes back so much quicker. Like it's so good. You can just like check your padlocks or traps like all the time.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
It's like one of those words and shit. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Explanations. I don't even know. I'm on her like the barricade here. She's in the south tunnel. I'll take it. She's playing barricade. She's going through south so.
She going through Leatherface there?
She might have ran up house. If she goes to battery, we'll know. Unless she crouches. No.
Oh, I think she's in the bushes behind you over here. I think? Unless I'm tripping. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, damn.
I was like, damn, I barely saw her move.
Double hit.
Oh, she's in cap. Damn, dude,
Oh, she's
nice.
dead.
Aw, she died, rip. Sag.